All right, new day, new wager. Par 3, 168 over water, closest to the pin. Whoever wins. Now we just add $10 more to the pot. $10 more to the pot. All right.
All right, I'll give you some options. Give me a full job.
Oh, it's short, dog. Don't be looking at me, bro. It rolled down the hill. Yeah.
Long, you in the sand. Go short. She said it's gonna be wet. Ooh, he pulled that thing. I don't know what he aiming at. Ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, did y'all see the splash? Did you guys see the splash?